I'm Jennifer Hyde, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about how to start beginner dreadlocks. What we have here is our lovely model Fallon, who is actually right now sporting 4 different types of starter locks. So I'm going to take just a brief second to talk to you about each one and why you might want to use each of the different methods. So what we have here are a combination of a rip and twist method, a double strand twist method on this side of the head shape. You can see we have started with back combing over here, and then you can see in the back where we began with just a comb coil. All of these different methods will make a lock happen eventually. Why and how you would determine which type of method to use on either your own hair or on someone else's hair really has a lot to do with texture, density, thickness, and curl pattern. The thicker the hair, the curlier the hair, the more options that you have in order to create locks that are going to begin to solidify more quickly. If the hair doesn't have a lot of curl to it, then you are kind of stuck in the methods that are going to be best for the straighter hair textures. So when you're making beginner locks, all things to take into consideration, not only size and shape and density, but also curl pattern, and these are the different things that you're going to use to determine what method is best for you to start a set of beginner locks.